In this video, I'm going to show you how to create charts on Excel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. And for more Excel tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So to create a chart, all you have to do is select the table that you want to create the chart on. Go to the insert section of the ribbon and click on pivot charts. In this case, we can either select pivot chart and pivot table, or we can just go ahead and select pivot charts. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select only pivot charts. It's going to ask you the table range, which we have already selected. If not, you can go ahead and input the data range right here. And you can also specify where you want your chart to be placed. I'm going to go ahead and say new worksheet and click on OK. You can now select the data that you want to be shown in your chart. So let's say I want to know the salary by department, right? So I'm going to select department and the salary. You can now see that it's very easily created a chart for you showing the department wise salary for every single month. You can also go ahead and filter out different options if you need to on your chart. Not just that, you can also go ahead and click on this plus icon on the top right corner of your chart and select different options to customize the chart. You can also go ahead and customize the appearance of your chart by clicking on this paintbrush icon, and you can change the way the chart looks. You can go one step further and even change the colors on your chart to make the chart exactly personalized to your preference. Now, in case you don't want to show the total sum of the salaries paid per department, you can even go to the right side, click on value field settings and say average, for example, of the salaries paid to each department. So the average salary is actually quite high for the customer support department. Even though if we go back to sum, you can see that customer support department is actually getting one of the lower salary totals. Now let's see how we can get charts without using the pivot chart method. Let's go ahead and select your data. Let's go into the insert section on your ribbon and click on recommended charts. You can see that there are a lot of different recommended charts that Excel has provided for you for this kind of data. If you want more options, you can click on the All Charts tab and you can click on column for columnar charts. You can go click on line for line graphs. You can click on pie for pie charts. You can click on bar. You can click on area and any different format that you want to create your chart based on. Let's go ahead and cancel this for a quick second and let me show you that right next to recommended charts, you can also go into the direct shortcut for each different chart. So if you want to go for a column or bar chart, you can come here and click on that for direct access. If you want a pie chart, you can click here for direct access and so on. So let's say in this case, I'm going to go for a column chart. Let's go for a 3D chart. Click on that and right here, you can go ahead and add chart elements based on your requirements. And you can go ahead and customize the style of your chart, the color of your chart, and so on. You can also go ahead and filter based on different requirements that you might have. Once you're happy with the appearance and the data on your chart, you can just click on the chart again, move it around, resize it. You can even copy it and paste it in a new tab if that's what you're required to do. And you can do pretty much as you like. But now here's the thing. This is basic customization, right? What if you need to take your customization to the next level? All you have to do is go into the chart design section and you have a whole lot of options right here. You can go through it one by one. It's not going to affect your data set in any way. You can go ahead and do exactly what you need to do. You can change the template, you can change the colors, you can change the depth of it, the 3D effects, the shadows, change the way your font looks with shadows on your fonts. You can have different fill colors on your chart. You can have different kinds of backgrounds on your charts and so on. If you have any specific requirements to create a chart for yourself, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer you in the comment section or by making a shorts video. Now click here for my Excel tutorial playlist so you can continue to learn and improve your Excel skills. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.